Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Today, Flux just released a brand new update, and it might be one of the fastest AI image generators we've seen so far. I already have access inside of Flux Playground, and after testing it myself, the speed honestly shocked me. We're talking about image generation in less than a second. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Flux performs, how fast it really is, and how it compares against ChatGPT image generation and Google Gemini. We'll test real prompts, real image editing, and real use cases like thumbnails, ads, and avatars so you can see if this tool is actually worth your time. Let's dive in. Now, this update was announced just a few hours ago, and according to Flux, the new version can now generate and edit images in under 1 second, deliver full art quality outputs. It can run through the API, be fine tuned, or even hosted locally. So, inside the playground, you can instantly switch between different models, including Klein 9B and Klein 4B, along with several presets designed for cinematic photography, realistic lighting, film grain, depth of field, and more. And the best part, you don't need to install anything. You simply open the playground and start generating. So let's do that. Now, one of the biggest selling points of Flux is speed. Flux claims it's over 30% faster than competing image models, and after testing it, that claim actually holds up. When you enter a prompt, the images appear almost instantly, no long loading screens, no waiting around. So, for creators, marketers, and designers, this is important because nobody wants to sit there waiting like 30 to 60 seconds every time they generate an image, especially when you're testing multiple variations, right? Flux generates four images at once with consistent lighting, composition, and detail. So speed is great, but quality matters. So I ran the exact same prompt through Flux, ChatGPT image generation, and Google Gemini. So even giving Gemini and ChatGPT a head start, Flux still return images first by a wide margin. When comparing the results side by side, the quality is extremely close, and in many cases, Flux actually looks sharper. You can see realistic depth of field, proper camera blur, strong lighting, accurate shadows, and natural textures. It's very clearly competing at the same level and sometimes above the top AI image generators available today. Now, for image editing test, Flux isn't just about generating images, it also handles editing surprisingly well. So you can upload an image and modify it instantly. For example, you can turn a product image underwater, you can change backgrounds, adjust lighting, you can add cinematic atmosphere, modify colors, or create multiple variations of the same image. The edit happen almost instantly. So this makes Flux extremely useful for product photography, e-commerce creatives, ad visuals, or social media content. One limitation worth mentioning is that Flux still struggles with text inside images, especially for ads that require readable headlines. But for visuals alone, it performs extremely well. Next, one of the most impressive use cases is creating UGC style ad content. You can start with a product image, then you can prompt Flux to add a person holding it. You can prompt it to change the environments, apply underwater effects, adjust facial features, you can modify hair color, create lifestyle scenes, etc. And in just seconds, you can generate content that looks like real user generated ads. This alone can save brand thousands of dollars in creative production costs. Flux can also be used to generate thumbnail variations incredibly fast. So you can upload an existing thumbnail and you can tell Flux to change the background, add new lighting, adjust colors, create high contrast versions. So this is perfect for YouTubers who want to A/B test thumbnails without rebuilding everything in Photoshop or Canva. You can even automate thumbnail variations at scale. Another powerful feature is flexibility. So Flux can be used in the online playground. You can access it via API. You can host it locally, fine tune for specific avatars or brands. And there are also built in presets like bird's eye views, camera angles, scene expansion, cinematic framing, etc. Now, these presets allow you to transform images without complex prompting. So, overall, Flux delivers on three major things: insane speed, high quality image generation, and extremely fast image editing. So, while text rendering still needs improvement, everything else from thumbnails to ads to cinematic visuals, it works incredibly well. If you're a creator, marketer, or AI builder who values speed and flexibility, Flux is easily one of the most impressive image tools released recently. So this update officially puts Flux among the top AI image generators in 2026. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you in the next one. If you want a Gemini-powered website fast, you've got to check out Wibera. Most people spend hours, even days, trying to build a website. You need to write the content, pick a design, edit images, arrange sections, and if you're not a designer or developer, it becomes a headache. But with Wibera, you can skip all of that. Just describe your business, type what you want, and Wibera uses Gemini level AI intelligence to instantly create a complete website for you. It writes your text, designs your layout, chooses your colors, generates your images, and makes everything mobile friendly. No coding, no design skills, just results. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, creator, or running an agency, Webera helps you build beautiful, professional websites in minutes. You can launch landing pages, portfolios, service sites, anything faster than ever. So if you want a clean, modern, Gemini powered website right now, click the link below and try Webera today. Don't wait, your website is literally one click away. So what are you waiting for? Get Webera now. Just go to getwebera.in.